Hi guys, so today's video is how to get this look. It's pretty fast with the makeup and I focus on the eyes. Unfortunately, I did lose some chunks of video, so I apologize for that in advance. But I think I explain it in the parts that are still there, I hope. Anyway, but it is using the Natasha Denona Eyeshadow Palette 10, which I was super excited that I got in my Sephora haul. I mainly use these three colours and also the white one there, as you can probably tell by the colour of my eyes. But yeah, stay tuned and you will learn how to do this too.
My old lovers fall into my covers where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Well, my ex got baggage like a bellhop. Yeah, I love a cry for help, but I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. You're showing me something that's deeper. We're so close, but still we get nearer. You're showing me something that's deeper. We're so close, but still we get nearer. 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius.
So I just lost 17 minutes of footage of me doing this with my eyes. So now I'm going to tell you how I did it, and we'll see how that goes. So to start off, I used Slate, this purple shade, in my crease. I just blended it out all along, as you can kind of see it, like all the way through here and all the way through here. And I focused a lot of it on the outer corners. And then I deepened the outer corners even more with this dark blue shade called Blue Space, just in here, and I took it a little bit through the crease. And then I popped this beautiful deep teal shade all over over the majority of my eyelid. And then I went back into Blue Space and deepened the outer corners even more, and then blended again with Slate. And that's what we're up to. Oh, no, wait. I also used Aura, this beautiful white shade, on my brow bones. So yeah, that was incredibly frustrating, but that's what we're up to. I'm just going to take some Shape Tape and just put a little bit down here, just so I can straighten up the edges because it's come off a little curved. It's just going to put a little dot and then get a just a flat shader brush and just kind of pat it along. Next, I'm going to go in with a pencil brush and just rub Slate. And just pop this on my lower lash line, run it along the whole way. Next, I'm going to take this super small pencil sort of brush and just go into blue space and run it just on the outer part of my lower lash line. I just also want to create a winged liner look with this blue, the blue slate. So I'm just gently pressing it along the top lash line. And we're gonna go back into Slate just to go through the crease again. And I'm gonna go into Aura and just chisel out this a little bit because it's a bit extreme. I'm going to take another pencil brush and go into deep teal and just press this into the inner part of my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go back into Aura and do my inner corners. So I just lost some more footage just to be finishing off my face. I just applied the Colourpop DTLA Crème Gel Liner. It's a really nice dark blue colour. I also applied my usual ModelCo Power Lash Black Mascara and curl my lashes, and I set my face with the Arbonne Let It Set setting spray, obviously. Oh, and I did my lips, which was the Colourpop BFF liner, also the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in Moonchild. So we have this pretty dramatic eye look today. I didn't expect it to be so dramatic. I went like super far out today, but I think it actually looks good. Kind of feel like blue, aqua themed. But anyway, my thoughts on my phone right now is annoyed. But actually, my thoughts on this palette, it was amazing. I definitely think out of all these eyeshadows, this one I just showed up the best. But I think it was the way that I used it, because this one I used with a flat shader brush. It just instant payoff. Like, it was absolutely like beautiful, and it just went on so like pigmented, so like aqua, so teal. What color is it? The purple one, I felt personally, it actually came across quite blue. I'm not sure if you can tell here. Like, sometimes when I move, it looks purple, but a lot of the time it looks blue. But I did blend the dark blue in with it as well, so that's to be expected. And actually, if I swatch it on the back of my hand now, what color is that? Oh, obviously, purple. Beautiful. Compared to the blue. I didn't do those amazingly, but yeah, and aqua. Oh, and I'll do the not amazing swatches, but those are the 4 colours I used out of this palette to create this look. I ended up blending a bit of the lightest shade, the Aura, the white glitter shade, just up here as well, because I think I went in a bit too far with the dark blue and purple, so it got super dramatic. But I actually like the way it's turned out. I think for the whole video, I think I had the tiniest, like, one single thing of fallout, and that was because I did something wrong, like I did something funny. So that's amazing. These eyeshadows, I think, are definitely worth the $75 that I paid for them. They've come off like absolutely beautifully. They were easy to use, they blended out really well, and I'm really excited to try the other colours in the palette. I hope you liked this video. I'm sorry there are chunks missing from it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about anything, just comment down below and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. I'll see you next time. So it's a how's that? The outer shot. Ooh, crap.